cooking show. Today I will be sharing with you my mini pizza recipe. It's easy to make and totally delicious, so let's go! First, we need to activate the yeast. I will use 1 teaspoon of dry yeast, 3 to 4 tablespoons of warm water, 2 teaspoons of sugar, and half teaspoon of salt. Blend them together until everything is dissolved. Then, leave it to proof for 15 minutes. You see the bubbles on top? It smells a bit like beer and looks a bit foamy too. That means the yeast is activated and ready to use. So we can make the pizza dough now. I will put 2 cups of all-purpose flour and our yeast mixture. Blend them together nicely and add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, or you can use melted butter instead. Mix them well. Then gradually add warm water until everything is completely combined and become a dough. Now I will put the dough on my wok surface and knead it for 15 minutes or until it's smooth. Now let the dough rest for 2 hours. While the dough is resting, we will make the homemade tomato sauce. I will use 5 tomatoes. I'll just score a bit at the bottom like this, so it will be easier to peel after we boil them. Now, boil them for 15 minutes. Take them out and set aside for a while cause they're still very hot. Then peel them off like this and set aside. I will mince 6 cloves of garlic. Okay, now let's cook the sauce. Put some cooking oil in the pan, and at the same time, I will blend our boiled tomatoes until we get the tomato puree. The oil is hot now, so add the minced garlic and saute them. Add some paprika and keep frying until they are golden brown. When they're golden brown, add white wine. Add our tomato puree. Add a bit of water. I reuse the water we used to boil the tomatoes. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar. Sprinkle some chili flakes, but it's optional. And while the sauce is simmering away, I went outside and grabbed all my herbs. I have like spearmint, Chinese celery, chives, and parsley. You can put any herbs you like. Oregano is a great choice. Just chop them and put them in. And we got ourselves a beautiful, delicious sauce. Now our dough is resting for 2 hours and ready to use. So I will cut it into 8 pieces since I'm doing mini pizzas. You can just press the dough with your palm like this, or you can use rolling pin to make them flat. Now I will dot the dough by poking around with a fork. I will apply the tomato sauce I made earlier. I will grate some mozzarella cheese on them. I will also put grated Parmesan cheese. And last but not least, I will place some chopped black olives. Then I will bake them in the preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius or 356 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. It's done, guys! Look how lovely they are, and they're totally delicious too. So try to make them at home. They will be a hit with your loved ones. Okay, that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye!